Hello, my name is Jessica Supicon, the principal at Rutherford County Virtual School, and I am so thrilled to share about the journey our high school students have made at Rutherford County Virtual School, participating in this pioneering experience and partnership with the Nissan manufacturing plant in Smyrna, Tennessee. This transformative work-based learning experience is truly shaping the future of our students by providing them with unparalleled opportunities to work directly on the floor of the Nissan plant. The benefits of this partnership extend far beyond the classroom walls. Our students are gaining hands-on experience in a real-world manufacturing setting, acquiring invaluable technical skills, problem-solving abilities, and teamwork dynamics that will serve them well into their future careers.
I chose this program because I saw it would be a great opportunity for me. It's very different from anything in school. My favorite part has been that there are a lot of nice people in Nissan, and just learning how a job would work or how communicating through your supervisor or your manager would work has been a really nice experience.
It has been quite a journey and a wonderful, positive journey. We appreciate how Nissan has invested into our students. A lot of our kids are planning to go to college eventually, but perhaps not right away. And this has been a good step for them to get into the workforce, to buy some time to explore their options and to see what's out there. Nissan starts our students at a really solid wage, just shy of $19 an hour, which is fantastic. And they also try and gear our students into an area that they are hoping to go into as a career.
My name is John Brewer. I'm the manager of workforce development for manufacturing at Nissan. I also manage the work-based learning program, the Nissan work-based learning program. The work-based learning program is not just about coming and filling a position out at Nissan. It's actually what do they learn and what can they take forward going into life. And when they first come in, they're very mild. They're around a bunch of strange adults that they're not used to, and they're not used to working with adults. In the end, they're just part of the team.